helping you keep track of what day it is here on Microphone Monday. This week on Microphone Monday, the classic astatic JT30. This is the hammer tone gray paint version, the standard version with the chrome grille, the silver border adhesive tag on the front. The original crystal was dead. However, I did replace it with a brand new old stock vintage astatic 127 ceramic element. If you like the crystal sound but want a slightly even warmer sound, a rounder tone, and a little more headroom before feedback, you probably want a ceramic. This is a kick-ass. I took it right out of the box today, installed it in this JT30, now available on this Microphone Monday. Hope everybody's staying safe out there.